So, I'm in Sorsogon, Preto Diaz. I going to Bicol, Iceland. So it's 5 p.m. Why I come so late? Because sun is so hard. You know, 33 degrees, but we'll feel it's 38, 40 because humidity. So it's a bamboo bridge, but I think it's not here because here it's not bamboo. I know here it's bamboo. I didn't saw reception. I think reception is after. Oh, it's broken here. It's my first time here, but I was near when I started vlogging. My first video was Lebanon Beach. It's near. It's the same street. But I didn't know there is this tourist attraction. And my friend also, because it's new, it's open 2 years ago. Wow, the bridge, how it's smooth. So if you guy 150 kilograms, I don't know if the bridge will survive, because me, I'm 73 and how the bridge is moving. My gosh. I travel mainly now because this day I don't have too much work. In November I will have many work, and I don't know this year, but last year, oh my gosh, like I fall down. But last year it was many rain in November, December. I don't know, because this year there is El Nino. It's very dry. But I like that. I like that. It's October. My skin is a little brown. Yeah. In Europe, it will become cold in the end of the month. When I say cold, I say 15, 11 degrees. Now it's hot, but it's not normal. 30 degrees in south of France, 25 in Belgium. It's not normal for October. It's 10 degrees too much, but the climate change. So here you see it's a mangrove forest. It's okay, no insect I see. I mean, no insect come to my face. So I don't know if this bridge is the longest in the Philippines. I don't know. I mean a bamboo bridge. I don't know. I know there is one in Palawan, big. Maybe bigger than this. If you ask, tell me. I have planned to go Palawan, but not now. And you know I don't like when it's too much for rain. My plan is going in the coming month, Cantanduanes, Masbate, and summer. And maybe if I have time, Tagaytay. I want to see Ilocos, very beautiful. Baguio, but short time, because I'm not fond of city. And many foreigners was in Baguio. They complain, they say too much people. You want to go to park a bamboo fake park, you need to wait 3 hours. Yeah. So here, the owner say you have beautiful views. Let's see. Wow, the bridge is long. So it's Wai Lagoon there. Nakawa Lagoon. Oh, I show you. Oh, the bridge is long. Let's check if I see fish. Yes, I see fish. So let me drink coffee here and I will continue. I'm not tired, but it's my ritual. I like to drink coffee. Here you can sleep if you want, but they say you not sleep here. But you don't know, maybe someone sleep here sometime. So my ritual, every time I arrive in one place, my coffee. Oh, it's very hot, the coffee. So I will tell you how to come here, because I know many people from Mani are coming in Bicol. You know, we have little foreigner. I saw last year in Bicol we had only 60,000 foreigner and 1 million of Filipino. Yeah. And you know what I observe, usually people here in transit, who also they come for women, because everywhere I go in Sorsogon province, I don't see foreigners. Sometimes one. Today I don't see anyone. So where I am, Sorsogon province, you need to go Sorsogon city. After Sorsogon city, you must to go Prieto Diaz. I saw jeepney here in the street. But you know, if you want to go jeepney, you will, because it's not often jeepney, it's not Legazpi. The people sit on the roof. I saw 2 jeepney on the way to coming here, and I saw 20 people on the roof. But me, I tell my friend, I want to experience that one time. I want experience. It must be fun, and I will recall one day when I come. Because I have my work, I traveling, so now it's busy time. So on Prieto Diaz, you write Bigaho Park or Bigaho Iceland. And there is indication in the street. So Smart is working here because I use Smart. Globe is better. So don't be afraid to not, if you come with scooter, to not find the way. I want to ask, because a long time I think about it. I don't know if you're interested or not. If you know, before I live in Ukraine, in Crimea. But Crimea, it was part of Ukraine in 2024, and Russia coming to Crimea, and they stolen the land. You know, the war between Ukraine and Russia, it started in 2014, not last year. Last year, it's become official, but 9 years ago, a Russian sent soldier, but here they know right Russia like that. I can do video about that if you're interested. And also, I met Putin, yes, but I didn't expect. So if you're interested about that, how I met Putin, how Russia stolen Crimea, how was life there, because it was nightmare. If you're interested, leave a comment. I will do video about that. And I have photo about when I was living Crimea, because you know some foreigner, they say, no, it's not true what you say, blah 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 blah. You was not there. So I have a plate car, you know, it's plate car Crimea. My photo there when I get married. I have few photos. In this video, I will put few photos, so I will not have a stupid foreigner to line my channel. So let's drink coffee and let's continue, because now it's become dark. I don't show my face because I want you see that if I record my face you will not see well. I must be careful, but it's okay. But I will not be happy if I fall. Wow, many fish here. I will not be happy if I fall down. Yeah, no light, so I must to come back before. Wow, so scary. But I can't use light mobile. Yeah, because I must be careful with my skin. With the sun, because I have white skin. And I take so much sun this year because I travel so many. I think I never traveled so much my life than this year. No, last year I traveled many, but I don't recall. Yeah, last year I traveled more. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it must be repaired, this beach. It's very humid. With the mangrove, you see the mangrove? It's very humid, it's hot. It's less hot when I was outside. Here, in this mangrove, it's very hot because humid. But you know, the mangrove is very good. It's stock the CO2. Wow, this bridge is so long, it's incredible. My gosh. You know, when I work here, I just feel like movies, like Rambo, like that. And Rambo in the water, and he go out to kill people. Who like in video game. I stopped because I heard noise. I don't know what is that. Which? Wow, this bridge is so long. Wow. But I want to be in the end because I want to see the Iceland before it's night. But this bridge must be repaired. If I see the guy, because there is entrance fee, but I don't see no one. If I see the guy, I will say to him, must be repaired. Because we pay. If we have an accident, you are responsible. Yes, the owner is responsible if I fall down in the mangrove. Look here, there is no, you see, look, broken. But I'm happy to be here. Don't say, hey, why are you going to take Philippines? I love Philippines, I'm happy here, I love it. I just say. Because when it's rain, it's going to be dangerous. And maybe oh, it's like point of view. Fish pond. I don't know, I don't see fish. Let's take a look there. So. I think I have a boat, a scooter. Far, but wow, that nice house. I hope I can go in there. I will show you it. I hope we can go and have a nice point of views. There is house. Maybe there is someone there. Oh, it's a fish pond, but it's not swimming pool. Oh, fish sanctuary. Really? Where is the fish? And to see. So I don't know where to go. Bicol, Iceland. Well, there is a cave. Oh no. Oh. It's dangerous there, you know, it's going to be snake. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm stressed. I will not go inside. Maybe snake. Wish. So let's go. Oh. Yeah, you can see it, eat with your friend, but it's broken. I think we can go in the house. You know what I think? It's look like it's, how you say in English? Abandoned, like the owner is, because not too much customers. Yeah, you see, I'm the only one. You go in Bicol tourist place, you have 5,000 Palawan, you have 200, 2,000 people. Here, look, no one. I'm alone. Oh. So maybe he leave because no more customers. And that's why he not repair. Maybe he die, I don't know. I don't wish that, but you never know. Oh, Oh, nice. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Bicol, Iceland. Oh yeah. Wow, wow, wow. I'm sorry, guy, but it's so beautiful here. Wow. So beautiful. Wait, I will show you. We see my own. I will show you here. I want to see, but I think there is no one. Yeah, it looked like it was bar before, but it's closed. So from Legazpi city is 85 kilometers. But I drive fast. It takes me 1 hour 30 because I go 3:30, arrive 5. Ah, there is sea air. But we will go sea air when you are alone. Look, there is food. What is that? We will go see air when you're alone. So I have so many places, I don't know. So let's go to this balcony first. I told house, it's not house, it's balcony. Balcony. You see my own, but I will zoom, wait little. I will relax a little here, I will enjoy. Oh, it's broken, so I will close, I will try to go. Maybe I don't take my backpack. Yeah, okay, I can go. So I will close video, I will take you back there. So, in the balcony. Wow, nice. Look, you see Mayon volcano. The mangrove. So let's go in there. Hurry before it's night. But after video, I will relax a little because the view is wonderful. I have cocoa. Ah, it's continue there. Let's see here. Nice. Beautiful sunset. Oh, I think I heard duck. Oh, looks so nice sunset. The small rock alone, so cute. Look at that, very small, so cute. Ah, very fresh air, very good air. Far from pollution. Oh. Oh, I don't know if I will go down. Let's see. Because it's always become dark. Wind. It's pity I don't come early. Nice rock. If I come 1 hour early, it will be great. I can enjoy more time in this island. Oh, nice rock. Wow, interesting. So I hope there is no snake. Oh, let's go. I will discover with you. So, yeah, it's red. I don't know in Philippines, but when I was young, my mother always say when it's red in evening, it's mean tomorrow it will be sunny. I see very far boat, like ho-ho boat going on a island. Well, you cannot see well, I think, in video. You see, like ho-ho boat going to another island. But I don't know. Yeah, no one. I'm alone in the Iceland. So let's discover this way. Oh. Some trash, but only few, only one bottle. I'm sweating, it's so hot. There. I was not. Wow, on the rock. Oh, I want to see. Let's go. After I will stop. Nice sunset. Come in Philippines, people follow me was not here. Come Bicol. Really, you will not regret. I never heard someone was Bicol and disappoint. Never. Because I check many YouTube. But so many was disappointed of the place. Yes, I will not say because I don't want people from this place insult me. But I say many place foreigner going in Philippines and they was disappointed because they say too much tourists, too much pollution. If you want no pollution, no tourists, you come here. Bigger Iceland. I'm alone. No one. Hello! There is someone? No one. Alone. It's possible only in Bicol. Yes. You know many Bicolino, not Bicolino, Filipino say my channel. And they're at that place. It's true. All people going Palawan, going, and after they say, I never saw Filipino in Palawan, there's million foreigners. Of course, come here. It's beautiful. You will be alone. You know, in foreign French, two old women say, we don't want mass tourism. Do you know place in Philippines where no tourists or not too much? I say, Bicol. And there are few, and they register my channel, they look. Come here. I don't need to say in French because they are women French, few women French, but they know English. All people know English in Europe. Come here. Come Bigaro Island with your friend. You will have your diner here for free, non-trans fee, alone. Some people will pay, you know, they going Seychelles in South Africa. They pay $1,000 every day for to be alone in Iceland. You know how much I spend to come here, to back? 170 kilometers, 2 liters. Yeah, like 240 pesos I spend for to be alone in this Iceland. Only for gas, from Legazpi. Yes. And people spending thousands of dollars for be alone in Seychelles or somewhere. Yes. Here it's possible. Very cheap. You know, yesterday I spoken with Filipino. He said it's amazing. I say I was in Lake. Boat for one day, 20 pesos. Unlimited time boat, 20 pesos. Of course, it's like kayak. It's not a motorboat, of course. 20 pesos, unlimited time. I have one video about that. You check my channel, you will see. 20 pesos, unlimited time. Yeah. Try to find that in Boracay, in Cebu. Yeah, you will pay 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 per hours. Yes, 20 pesos per hours. Yes, that's why I love Bicol. Because it's very beautiful. And we have all Philippines in one place. We have a white beach, we have pink beach, we have chocolate hills. Yes, if you want to see all we have in Bicol, another place Philippines, you must to travel everywhere. Chocolate hills, you must to go to Bohol. White Shark, you must to go to Oslo, Cebu. But we have here, all in one place. Don't lose your time, fly your money to travel all Philippines. You come here, Bicol. You will see all we have the best in Philippines here in Bicol. So let's go to this point of view. So now I will drink more little coffee after we'll back. I'm so happy to be here. For so cheap money. I only spent benzene for my scooter. Yeah. So that's all for today. Tomorrow I don't know. You know, when I cannot stay house when it's sunny. Let's see it's rain. I think it will be sunny tomorrow. I want to go, you know, I want to go Masbate, but I need to take boat and it's not possible in one day, you know, because only travel there, it's one day. So, let's see. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching. Bye.